Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add custom fonts on Filmoara application using your mobile device. To add custom fonts to Filmoara on your iPhone, the first thing you can do is to download the font, of course. So in order to download the font on your device, first of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store and then look for the iFont application. Once you find this application, go ahead and install it on your device and open it up. You will then be able to open up this interface from where you will need to tap on Find Fonts to install. Now from here, go ahead and select one of the font finders. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this dafont.com option, which will take me to a page from where I can find numerous of fonts that I can download. Pick one of the fonts you would like to download and click on the download button right next to it. Now click on import at the bottom of the screen. Click on the install button right next to the font that you just downloaded and click on continue. Click on allow in the pop-up menu and you will be able to download the font profile. It will tell you how you can apply the font. Go ahead and open up settings, tap on the profile downloaded option and tap on install. Simply go and click on the open settings button at the top and click on profile downloaded. Now click on the install button right next to the install profile button at the top right, enter your iPhone's passcode and you will be able to download and install the profile. After you do that, go ahead and open up Filmoara application. Open up or import a video you'd like to edit and once you are inside, click on the text option at the bottom. Now select the add option right under T and enter the text you'd like to add as a layer to your video. After you do that, click on the tick mark right next to the text box. Now once you add a font on your screen, go ahead and place it in a desired location and then click on this font option under the text box. Now choose the font that you just downloaded from the list and you will be able to add a custom fonts on Filmoara. Apart from that, you can also change the color of your font using the tools appearing at the bottom of the screen. So that is how you can easily add custom fonts on Filmoara using your mobile device. After you are happy with your results, go ahead and click on export at the top right corner and then select one of the exporting options. So that's how you can easily add custom fonts on Filmoara using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.